Hello guys, this is Mr. Video Dude. So now I'm back here. I'm back with another new vlog. It's going 7 money, guys. Week is finally over now. Yeah. It's a bit over days. This decided to you. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the weekend. Yep. Oh yeah, I still did. Yep. Oh yeah, of course. Yeah. Because I never did much for the weekend though. I went on drive over to we're gonna go over to Push Cove, sort of October area. This was Saturday afternoon, and then Sunday afternoon went over to CBS and Costco area to do bit of stuff over to Costco. That was fun, yep. Oh yeah. And then other than that, I was just relaxing. Yep. Oh yeah. But anyway, yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed me last year. Yep. Oh yeah. So just I'm back now. Back here at Dad's house now. We here to touch my dinner party area. So I'm not home right now. I'm actually here in the area. Yep. So we took a lot of snow. I'll go over here. Yep. Yeah, we definitely hit a good month for snow over here. Yep. It got more coming tomorrow. Oh yeah. So we got 25 to 45 centimeters of snow coming here tomorrow. So yeah. So definitely not a blizzard, but let's it's upbeat reality. Yep. Oh yeah. But anyway, yeah. But really still have to see. Yep. But anyway, yeah. But of course, yeah. But plan for tea is to get this after a week. Audio there is fine. Yeah, the speed is 40, but everybody's going over 40. You like speed does that over here though, yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean the light speed tape system side of the road is covered, so I got a lot of pavement. Yep. Just to put from exercise during winter. Oh yeah. But anyway, yeah. Oh, I'm gonna head to the other end until I pass the other street, yeah. Ah, yeah. But anyway, what you seen? So I'm off work at least till Wednesday. Oh yeah, so that's not bad. Yep. The team happened this week also, yep. Oh yeah. But yeah. But of course actually I'll get this walking, and then after that I'll go back over to the car area in St. John's, my pool area. Probably walk around there probably like all the teams, but yeah. But I'll see. I'll go over the 126 that has been over there. Yep. And I'll do whatever. Yep. Oh yeah. And that's all. Yeah. But I think since I only exercised a little exercise yesterday, I might do not walk later. Like every summer or whatever, but or before that, I'll walk a bit, yeah. But anyway, so there, but because now I'm just going to enjoy the walk pretty much. Yep. So we off a fucking drive now already here, and now on Top Hill Pond Road. I'll be walking up here toward Alpha Road, then they'll take you over to the service off Valley Road. So this clip that you see when I get back on Touchball Road. That'll probably be in the next half hour or so. But yeah, just look at all the snow over here along the side of the road and the lawns over here. Yeah, it's definitely been a good snowy month. Oh yeah, that's good. So just to recap this past, this really so far. January was warm. Well, it was warm with a few cold days, but yeah, trying to month also. But February was February so far has been a better month for snow and very cold temperatures. Yeah. Oh yeah. But those you had the rest of the month goes up. Oh yeah. Because of a cold environment Canada, we could get a mild spell this coming weekend. Yep. With the rain. Yeah. So definitely not looking forward to it, especially this the season. Yep. Oh yeah. Because it is well is living in the area that is where the electric ocean. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. Wait on. Alright guys, now I'm back to the other power road now. Yeah, I just here walking along the side of Top Hill Pond. Oh, as you can see, there's a lot of snow over here, and also a lot of snow on the pond. So it's already starting to melt already, especially over there. So there. Yeah, because last time I think I just there was just a lot like just ice on the pond. Oh yeah. But the pond is case not quite serious, I don't think. Thanks to the snowmelt over here. Oh yeah. But yeah. Figured out to you guys with just you guys how I still got on the pond over here. But yeah, I really enjoyed the walk and yeah, at least I'm always home though. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah, I'll be home now in about 5 minutes. I'll be home for at least it'll be less than an hour, probably around. Yeah, probably less than an hour, probably a little over an hour, and then we'll be putting it over to Saturday in the Gully for a bit. I think we will go as well. Get all see you guys on the home when we're in town. Okay, guys, it is now Leon in the thing now. It's already dark out, as you can see now, and it's now 10:30 p.m. when I'm filming this. So yeah, and yeah, and I'm having them show you guys how much snow is at the ground. 3 till to 8. So yeah, we do got a nice bit of snow on the ground now. Oh yeah. Yep, and London Driveway too. So sorry for the few second delay. But I just heard some noise come from the hallway. So yeah. So this how much noise in the front yard. Yep. We do got a lot more coming. Tomorrow, yep. Oh yeah. Yeah. And of course, yeah, at least it is too good here. I got on this CB24 again, as per usual. Love watching on TV, of course, yeah. And as you can see in Toronto, they got no snow. Since the temperature over there I actually very mild or warm. It's gonna be 30 degrees on basically though, yeah. So yes, a good for the on Arterians, basically hope you're enjoying the moment over there. But it will keep warm the week over here. Oh yeah. And of course yeah, you can see I also bought up some more coffee cups and of course for them is over him some coffee from home the week. Oh yeah. And yeah. And we got lights on the Imperial 2, and yeah. And we got the and we got lots of snow on Imperial 2, yep. In the backyard. Oh yeah. So I just tried for a second sorry for that. So yeah, overall it's been a good day, yeah. And this is definitely not going to be much of a vlog, I would say, since the only clips I put into this one was it was the walking the walk I did earlier. Yep, I went over to the service off of Paris Roadback. It was only 3 clips though. Yep. So yeah. But of course, yeah, but that was fun. But I did go into town after. But of course, oh, I never went to TV Coffee since the TV episode. It was closed, and the Google said it was open. So I don't know if Google was right or the whole app was right. But yeah, so it ended up going to the one around pool, yep. Over off of Booth Avenue, yep. And that was good. I had a really good feed over there, yep. Oh yeah. Yep. And after I went over to the south side of downtown for a bit, and yeah. Then when I'm back home from there, we're on the second box station of got one on a Sunday. Yes. And it's always good, yep. Oh yeah. Yep, and then yeah, I was relaxing the rest of the yep. Oh yeah. So just hope you guys enjoyed this short little vlog, yep. Yeah, but I and we did enjoy the day, yep. Oh wow, and of course yeah. But of course by 12 I'll be yeah, I'll be relaxing at home again, yep. Oh yeah, I'll be meeting out the storm, yep. And I'll be cleaning up after the storm to the best I can with this shoveling if there's must be shovel, yep. Oh yeah. But I'll probably vlog that maybe one week or oh whatever, yep. Yes. But anyway, so yeah. So with that being said, I just really hope you guys enjoy the weekend. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog also. Yep. What would you mention? I was watching the news last week. If you're wondering, yeah, and of course and I'm following the the Chinese balloons on news for the past week, and they've been shut down. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. Yep. And I found that very well, I found it very interesting though. Yep. 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 With all the balloons being shut down. Yep. But the balloons were actually way up there in the sky. Yep. And they were seeing that the balloons were there was Chinese spy balloons spying on I guess they're flying over different spots like public spots or wherever I am I can't think of the right word for it right now. She's also late. But yeah. So there's been 4 shutdown North America so far, I think. Yep. There's one shutdown in Alaska and another one shutdown in Yukon and 2 shutdown in the US. One along the US border side of the Lake Huron area, and one shut down off the coast of South Carolina. That was the first one that made major headlines. Yeah, but yeah. But of course, yeah. But hopefully hopefully the government or whoever will find whoever was in the balloon. Yep. Oh yeah. Like the my opinion, they probably find I think it was I think it'd probably be spelling equipment. Yep. Yep. That's I and many other people think it'll be that it'll be in the balloon. Yep. Oh yeah, but who knows? But yeah, but and who knows how many of them will be flying up in the air this week and beyond, and those more year last. But I thought it'll go on forever, but who knows what happened? Yeah. Oh yes, but anyway, I'll end up there. So I just we hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. As you can see, I am a bit tired since it is a bit later now in the day. Yep. Yeah, it's already now nearly 11 p.m. Oh yeah. So I'll end up. So I just we hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's over now.